Good morning, grade 4. Hope you all fine. Today, we're going to complete concept 3, which is talking about speed, and this is lesson 4. Actually, this one is about calculating speed. We talked about calculating speed before. As we said before, speed equal distance divide time. And let's talk more about this. A red car moves 10 meters in 5 seconds. So can you measure or tell me the speed of it? Or how fast this car do? Actually, you have to write the law. The meaning of law is the mathematical law that we write in letters. As we can see, speed equal distance divide time. Then what? Then we have to do it like speed equal 10, which is we have here in the problem when you tell me a red car moves at 10 meters. When you tell me this 10 meters, I know this. Meters is distance unit. So I can write distance equal 10 meters in 5 seconds. Second is time unit. So 5 is a time. So a red car moves 10 meters in 5 seconds. So I can write it like this. Speed equal 10 meters divide 5 seconds. And this means the speed of this car is 2 meters per second. A yellow car moves 20 meters in 5 seconds. Okay, you have to make your draft, and that's mean in the side of your paper we have a space or the part that you can write the data you have. And he told me this: a yellow car moves 20 meters. Yes, meter is a unit for distance, so distance equal 20 meters in 5 seconds. Second is a unit of time, so time equal 5 seconds. So I can get the speed because I have here a law which is tell me this is speed equal distance divide time, and speed equal distance was 20 meters divide time was, yes, 5 seconds, and that's mean speed equal 4 meters divide or per second. Okay? Yes, but wait a minute. There's something here different. Yes, both of them have the same time. I mean, red car moves 10 meters in 5 seconds, and the one which is yellow moved 20 meters in the same 5 seconds. So I can guess which of them is the fastest. Actually, we have the same time. The distance is different, but the red car moves only 10, yellow car moves 20 in the same amount of time, which is 5 seconds. So I think the yellow car is the fastest. So again, in the previous example, the two cars moved within the same time, which is 5 seconds. Okay, the red car traveled 10 meters and the yellow car traveled 20 meters in the same 5 seconds. So actually, the yellow car wins. The yellow car is the faster than the red one. So let's talk about this beautiful experiment about racing downhill. The meaning of downhill is like we have a top of something. We have like ramp or inclined slide, okay? It's a downhill. Maybe we can do it like mountain. That's the meaning of this. So we can make our mountain by some box and some paper, I mean in cylinder shape and so on. As we can see here in this picture, if I put one end of this tube on the top of two boxes, as we can see here, this tube, this plastic, sorry, or paper tube, and I make the end of one end of it on the top of two pucks, and then the other end of the tube resting on the ground. Okay? Then I roll the track, which is a game or a toy, a small toy. Roll the track down the tube, use the stopwatch to determine the time. Add one book to change the inclined angle, so that's mean instead of 2 bucks, I will raise it to 3 bucks or 4 bucks. And I have to know the time this track we're going to take if I change the angle of this ramp. So add one puck to change the inclined angle and repeat the steps. Okay, now repeat each inclined but place the paper cup at the bottom of the tube as we shown in the figure. As you can see in this picture, you can see the cup of paper, and you just fix it every time you repeat this experiment. Then what? You have to measure the distance the cup moves after each time the truck rolls in it. So, the meaning of this, when I leave the truck to roll inside this tube paper, okay, I make or fix a paper clip, and I have to measure the distance by ruler. I have to measure the distance that the cup moves because of track after each time the track rolls on it. Try to do it and tell me the answer. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.